Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, the 15th of March. Alabama's weather looking good. We're warming up nicely as expected today. Some rain as the weekend begins, but the news for the weekend is not all bad, and more cold air coming in here next week. So let's check it out. Upper air look, our eastern trough moving away offshore. Have a northwest flow aloft here and a very dry air mass. I dare you to find a decent cloud in the sky today. And after a sub-freezing start, we have warmed nicely. Temperatures well up in the 60s today. Birmingham 66, Tuscaloosa 69. Some spots could reach 70 tomorrow. And really around the nation, the air mass moderating nicely. But again, don't get used to it because another shot of cold air is due in here toward the middle of next week. There's the watch warning map. Pretty quiet around the nation. Got some winter storm issues for parts of the central and western states. Check the severe weather outlook. This is for tomorrow and tomorrow night. And this technically goes until 7 a.m. Saturday, local time. Got the standard risk of severe weather from Memphis down to Jackson, Monroe, and Shreveport. A marginal risk nosing into northwest Alabama. And there might be a strong storm up there late Friday night, early Saturday morning. Don't expect a big issue. And then on day 3, which is Saturday, we have a marginal risk of severe storms to the west of the state from near Austin, Texas to near Starkville and Meridian, Mississippi. And on day 4, which is Sunday, we've got a risk of severe storms west of the state from near Jackson up through Shreveport, Oklahoma City, up into southern Kansas. And there's no risk defined for day 5, Monday so far, but that might be an active day here, as you'll see. Check the rain for the next 7 days. Precipitation, a lot of rain for California. And down here looking pretty wet. Rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches for much of the state. So let's dive in and talk about it. Model fans, this is the GFS, the 06C run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. You can see that little shortwave coming out across the plain states. Down below that, a deep surface low develops over Kansas. And in the warm sector, there could be some strong to severe storms over Arkansas, down into North Louisiana, maybe Mississippi during the day. I think for us, the bulk of the day tomorrow could be dry. And then Saturday, that low weakens tremendously and passes north of here. And the surface boundary drops on down into central Alabama. Let's look at the mesoscale modeling here. This is the high-resolution NAM, valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, 7 p.m. local time, showing a batch of showers and maybe some thunder creeping into northwest Alabama. This is 6 a.m. Saturday. And again, there could be some showers around, but you can see the NAM not really bullish on big rain amounts with this front. And then by midday Saturday, those showers are pretty much off the board. So it looks like the better chance of showers here, maybe some thunder, will be tomorrow night, early Saturday. And then a decent part of the day Saturday should be dry and very mild. We'll be up in the 70s. The GFS is printing a high of 77 for Birmingham. This is Sunday, and again, the bulk of the day should be dry. Highs in the 70s, a mixture of clouds and sunshine. So the weekend really not that bad. We note that surface low over southeast Colorado near Trinidad, and by Sunday night at midnight, a warm front begins to lift northward and rain will likely come back. So after a fairly dry day Sunday, we'll have a chance of rain and storms Sunday night. And then Monday, fairly interesting setup here. We have a sub-1,000 millibar low that's northwest of Little Rock. And the air is going to be pretty unstable Monday. We'll be up in the 70s. This is the surface-based Cape Monday evening at 7 o'clock, and you can see that the Cape values rise to values in excess of 2,000 joules per kilogram over the southern half of the state. And I wouldn't be shocked if this were a day with strong, maybe severe storms. We've got plenty of time to work out the details, just something to watch for now. Then Tuesday, that surface low is northeast of here. A new low begins to form off in the Atlantic, another nor'easter, and we're getting cold air advection. We'll probably stay in the upper 50s and low 60s on Tuesday. Probably some lingering clouds, maybe a touch of light rain. And then Wednesday, the nor'easter is off the Jersey Shore, And for us, again, we turn pretty chilly. High should be in the 50s. We start the day down in the 30s. And this is a week from today, Thursday, the 22nd, big trough on the East Coast, nor'easter off the coast of Maine. And again, that morning could be pretty cold. We'll be down in the low 30s with a chance of a freeze for the colder pockets and a frost for most locations. We're not done with freezing temperatures yet, I don't think. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday, March 25th. Got a shortwave ridge here, troughing well to the west. That looks like maybe a few showers for the northern part of the state, but again, things looking fairly quiet at that point. Check the numbers. This is coming off the European ensemble. Very nice for the weekend. Good to see those 70s. But then there's the cool shot next week. Highs drop in the 50s on Wednesday and Thursday, and lows should be well down in the 30s. And again, wouldn't be shocked if we had a morning or two with frost and maybe a freeze. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.